Hi, welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Here we have the Touareg. This is the 3 litre TDI 262 brake horsepower V6. As you may well know, they have stopped production of these, ready for the new shape Touareg to come out. This is finished in the deep black pearl, featuring the Mallory alloys that's sitting on 21-inch there. This vehicle's in good condition. There's no scratches, dents or obvious marks on it. This features an electric tailgate with rear view camera. With the R-Line Plus you also get a 360 camera as well. This comes under the DOS Fast Auto scheme, so it goes through a 142 point check. Also, stepped inside the vehicle, comes with the 14-way adjustment with lumbar support, with the black leather. Comes with a stop start button there, heated front seats, navigation with DAB radio and Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, and you see the car park 360 cameras there. It's only done 3,783 miles, so as I said, it is a well looked after car. Also has the full panoramic sunroof on it. On a day like today will be well used. For more information on this vehicle, please contact Wrexham Volkswagen, ask for Phil, Harry or Glenn, and we'll be able to give you a tailored finance quote or more information about this vehicle. Cheers, thank you for watching.